Last time on Sailing Doodles, we got some beach time in Tonga. And then set sail to Fiji. It took us under 3 days to sail the 400 miles to Fiji. This is what you can expect to see from our coming days in Fiji. Follow along with us as we sail 15,000 miles in just 10 months from Canada all the way to Thailand. We were getting pretty good about using our portable water maker while underway. And while I was making water, the girls were making coconut water.
Here we go. Coconut snow cones ready to go.
We had frozen coconuts, and that's awesome. Like there's slush inside there.
Yep.
We added a little Zacapa rum, and we were ready to celebrate a milestone. We were crossing into the Eastern Hemisphere. 100 feet, 80, 70, 60. 50 feet to go!
Should we do the Harlem Shake?
30!
The coconut Harlem Shake!
And we are in! The audio cable fell off here, but you can tell we were celebrating. So it was about 2.5 days. It was 3 nights, 2 days here to Fiji. We're hoping to clear in her first thing in the morning. Kind of planned it. We get here this early in the morning. So looking forward to it. Heard good things. We're planning to stay here a good long while. We've been going. We haven't stayed in one place more than a week, and that was not by choice. We just had trouble clearing in the Marquesas because there's a holiday and everything. We're gonna spend about 2.5, 3 weeks, and the last 10 days of it actually in a marina, just relaxing. We haven't done that in a while, and we need we need a little bit of downtime, you know. We raised the quarantine flag and headed into Suva Harbor. We made it to Fiji. Woo! Now we're waiting on customs. The way it works here is you got to call the yacht club, and then they dinghy them out to you, and they clear you in. But when I talked to them on the radio at 8:15 this morning, and they said, "Yeah, we'll bring them over to you today." I don't know when today means.
It means before 5.
It means before 5.
We hope.
We hope. So when you're bored waiting on customs for 6 hours on a boat, here's what you come up with. We started talking and we said that tequila will actually numb like hot pepper stuff. So we have the hottest picante, triple extra picante chili habanero. I don't know what it is on the Scofield, don't ask me. But we said that tequila will neutralize the hotness of it. So they are going to take a teaspoon of it each, swish it around their mouths, let their mouths get nice and good on fire, and then they're gonna take a shot of tequila and see if that helps. Are you excited about this?
So excited. This is a life changer. This is huge. If this works, I fear no chili sauce.
You might recognize this bottle. This is a $3 tequila that I got in La Paz.
$3 tequila.
It's yummy.
Like, is this enough? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This ought to be
Watch your
good.
spoon.
Are we gonna cheers?
Absolutely.
Okay, how do we cheers to this?
Oh, you got a lot.
To gastrointestinal fortitude.
I was gonna say what rhymes with like.
Switch it around. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Wait, feel the burn.
Yeah, okay. All right, welcome it. Embrace it.
That's a healthy cough this guy got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Embrace it.
Yep, there it
Is
is.
it warm
It's
yet?
warmer when you open your mouth.
Deep breaths.
Yeah. Dragon breath.
Sweat breeds.
Ready?
Let's see.
Salute.
Cleanse the palate.
Don't just do it, just swish it.
That ain't Listerine now.
I don't think that worked. I think Bobby was full of it.
He's full of
Definitely
shit.
did not
That
work.
didn't work.
No!
It's hotter. It's actually hotter. It's actually
That
hotter.
intensified the heat.
Without a doubt. It wasn't that hot before.
This is uncomfortable.
The alcohol kind of thins it out and spreads it out, yeah?
Oh, wow. Yep. That sucked.
Maybe we have bad tequila. Hang on. Let's try a different tequila.
Yeah.
That was like gas station tequila. Hang on. Okay, so we're gonna try a little bit better tequila now. We have Don Julio.
1, 2, 3. Nope.
No, I don't. No. It just got hot again. It just got hot again.
Maybe you just get so drunk that you forget that it's hot. Is that
Yeah.
the theory?
That
That
might have
myth
been what
is
happened to you.
busted. Without a doubt.
My bad, guys. I must have misled you.
I think he pulled that one straight out of his poop chute.
Oh, I thought we were friends.
It took about 7 hours for customs to show up, but we were finally cleared in. We were all ready to go ashore and get on some solid ground. The Royal Suva Yacht Club was really a nice place, but their dinghy dock had seen better days. Kind of a busy day today. Got to go get receipts for clearing in, customs, immigration. Got to go to like 3 different offices to do that. And what are you going to do today, Laura?
Pedicure.
Yeah. that seems fair.
I've waited since Cabo.
Her toes are pretty
Can't
gnarly.
look homeless in these exotic places.
We are homeless.
My feet don't need to look like I don't own shoes. Babe.
Okay. This next segment should give you a pretty good idea of the paperwork you have to do when cruising. First stop of the day, Ministry of Health to pay and get our receipt that we have been biosecurity checked. Basically, they came on and asked if we're sick. We said no. They're like, okay. $83 for our health certificate, basically saying we're not sick, and we're biosecurity checked. Now on to the government house to get our cruising permit and other documents. All right, now we are at, oh, I'm sorry, didn't mean to slam it so hard. Okay, Revenue and Customs Services, I think this is where I'm supposed to go. There might have been some communication errors there, but we'll see. Strike one, not it. He says I need to go to the customs office at the wharf. I have a sneaking suspicion they are going to say, no, you need to come here. We'll see. Now I'm at the wharf inside kind of a secure place. I don't know, hopefully I'm in the right spot. It's things you gotta do here. So this is the paperwork I needed. Yesterday they had all this, he just didn't bring a stapler because evidently it's gotta be stapled, sealed. I don't know. Now I got to go back to the same building I was just at to get a cruising permit. In case you're wondering, the taxis really are pretty reasonable. It's, I mean, well, cheap, you might say. It's about, on average, about $1.50 to $2 for each of these little treks I'm doing. They're only like maybe 2 miles each way, but still pretty cheap. I think this is my last stop of the day. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure. Well, I should have known better to think that was my last stop. That wasn't even the right building. They said go down this street, turn right. It's another building on the right. I don't know. Well, this is it. The whole day has been after this. It's a cruising permit, and it's not in English, so I have no idea what it says. But I think it says we can go anywhere in Fiji we want. So we're on our way. It took me about 2 hours to get all this done. It kind of sucks you have to run around everywhere, but they're efficient once you get there. I mean, I didn't have to wait anywhere. All right, back at the yacht club. I'm assuming they have a beer ready for me. I don't know. I'm hoping they do. I'm rather disappointed that there's no cold beer waiting for me right now.
Wait, there's cold beers?
Oh, yeah.
There's hot beer and cold chicken. I'm rather disappointed with your mustache still on your face.
Be sure to tune in on the next few episodes when Laura looks at Toad. There's some fire dancing and surfing cloud break. As always, we want to thank our patrons for making this channel possible.